Here are a few tips to repair your damaged skin cells. So first and most important is hydration. So drink plenty of water and use hydrating skincare products. Second is antioxidants. Antioxidants actually include vitamin C and E to protect against the free radicals. And third is retinoids. So retinoids stimulates collagen production and also aid in cell turnover. Thank you.